The Brother P-Touch PT70BM is a lightweight, handheld label maker designed for easy portability and everyday use. Weighing just 8 ounces, it's perfect for anyone who needs a reliable labeling solution without the bulk. Whether you're organizing your home or office, this compact device fits comfortably in your hand and gets the job done fast. One standout feature is its 54 font variations. You can choose from 6 different sizes and 9 type styles, giving your labels a personalized touch that suits any project. This flexibility makes it easy to create clear, attractive labels for boxes, notebooks, or storage bins, whatever you need to organize. The PT70BM also supports 2-line printing, letting you add more information on a single label. Multiple framing options and automatic formatting help your labels look neat and professional every time. This is especially handy when you want to include names, dates, or short notes without crowding the text. Reading and typing are simple thanks to the 8-character LCD display and a QWERTY keyboard with raised keys. This design minimizes errors and speeds up label creation, even if you're not tech-savvy. The clear screen keeps you informed of your settings as you work, so there's less guesswork involved. For the best results, the PT70BM uses Brother Genuine P-Touch M tapes available in 9mm, about 3/8 inch, and 12mm, about 1/2 inch widths. These tapes ensure sharp, durable prints that resist fading, helping your labels stay readable over time. Customers across the United States praise this label maker for its fast delivery and ease of use. Many appreciate its ideal size for home use, perfect for labeling everything from kitchen containers to personal items. One user even bought a second unit for a winter residence, highlighting its convenience and reliability. If you're looking for a straightforward, portable label maker with versatile printing options, the Brother P-Touch PT70BM is worth considering. It combines lightweight design with customizable fonts and 2-line printing, making labeling tasks quicker and more professional. Try the Brother P-Touch PT70BM when you're ready to bring order to your space with clear, personalized labels. It's a practical tool that delivers consistent results, whether you're organizing at home or managing multiple locations.